Big Tractor Power has been busy following and filming the 2018 corn silage season, and in this video I wanted to share a 10-minute uninterrupted, unedited sequence of John Deere farm equipment harvesting the corn so that you could see and hear how it operates working its way across the field. The video will feature farm machines that are owned by this dairy farm. It is not a contractor. We will see a pair of John Deere 8600 cell-propelled forage harvesters that are rated at 616 horsepower. They're operating John Deere 778 row-independent corn heads. They look like big buzzsaws as they slice through the field, harvesting 8 rows of 30-inch space corn. We'll see a number of John Deere R-Series tractors that include 8 245R models, an 8 295R tractor, and a 6 175R. They're all pulling 10-ton H&S SD7+ wagons, and I hope that you will again enjoy just seeing how they interact and operate working on their way across the field, bringing in corn to feed their dairy cows over the next year. I hope that you've enjoyed hearing and seeing all of this large John Deere farm equipment working out in a western Kentucky cornfield on a summer evening, bringing in the 2018 corn silage harvest. If you would like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm equipment in action. If you're already a subscriber, make sure to check the Big Tractor Power YouTube homepage often, as new videos are posted every 2 to 3 days. If you have any questions about the video or the farm equipment that you have just watched, post it in the comment section below this video, as I try to answer every single comment that is left. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming to the Big Tractor Power YouTube channel, check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what's currently being filmed. As always, thank you for watching.